It can be a good idea to regularly clear your media cache in Premiere Pro. This can not only free up space and speed up performance, but can also help at times if you're having problems with corrupted files or projects. To clear your media cache, firstly close down all Premiere projects you have open, and then reopen Premiere without opening a project. In the menu bar, click on Premiere Pro Preferences Media Cache, and if you're on Windows, you can find Preferences under the Edit menu. A new window will open here, and you need to click the Delete button next to Remove Media Cache Files. You will be given the option here to delete either unused media cache files or all media cache files. We're going to select Delete All Media Cache Files, as any needed for our current projects will be recreated when required. Click OK, and Premiere will now work to delete all media cache files.